Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda Accord tire repair kit. First, locate the kit, usually found in the trunk or under the cargo floor. Familiarize yourself with its components, which typically include a sealant bottle and an air compressor. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface, away from traffic, and the parking brake is engaged. This preparation is crucial for a secure and effective repair process. Once your car is safely stopped, carefully inspect the tire to find the puncture. If there's an object like a nail, remove it using pliers. Next, shake the sealant bottle well and securely attach it to the compressor unit. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent any leaks during the inflation process. This step is vital for the sealant to properly enter the tire. Now, firmly screw the compressor's hose onto the tire's valve stem. Plug the compressor into your car's 12-volt power outlet. Turn on the compressor, allowing it to inject the sealant and inflate the tire. Monitor the pressure gauge and inflate the tire to the recommended pressure, typically found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This process usually takes several minutes. After inflating, drive your car for about 3 to 5 miles at a moderate speed. This helps the sealant spread evenly inside the tire, effectively sealing the puncture. Then, pull over safely and recheck the tire pressure with a gauge. If the pressure has dropped significantly, the puncture might be too large for the kit, and professional help is needed. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees, black ice air fresheners, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.